Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I seriously miss saying that. So I'm back and I am here to stay this time around. I'm ready to, create more videos, get myself out there. I'm working on a list of kind of videos that I can make. The holidays are coming up, so I'm gonna try to make a lot of looks, that you can wear for the holidays. For right now, my goal is to do 2 videos a week. I'm actually very motivated right now to do videos. I'm planning on uploading Mondays and Fridays. Subscribe, leave your comments to the types of videos you want to see. Give me more ideas from my own list, and I'll see you on the next one. I already moisturized my face and I'm gonna prime my face with the Too Faced Prime and Peachy primer. I actually been liking that. I usually put it around my nose, like around this area, and my forehead. So I'm gonna let my primer like settle on my face. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes too, and I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay primer. So I want to use these glitter eyeshadows by Stila. It's on the Rose Gold. And I'm also going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette because it has a lot of colors, and I think I'm going to go with maybe, I don't know, we'll play around right now. I'm going to go into Hunt in this palette right here, Hunt, and I'm going to use that on my crease, and we'll go from there. So I'm going to apply that Hunt's color around my crease on both eyes, and I'll just do that. So that's it for the crease, and now I'm going to use the Rose Gold Retro glitter, and I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid. I'm going to get a pencil brush. I'm going to get that same Hunt's color, and I'm going to put that on my waterline. So next I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I recently bought this ColourPop Brow Boss. My next step is my foundation, and I'm going to be using the Infallible Pro Matte. I got the color Sun Beige 106. So I just put it on my sponge, and I'm going to just dab it everywhere. I'm going to conceal my under eyes, and I'm going to use the Maybelline Age Rewind and just blend it out. Okay, so now that I blended my concealer, I'm going to set my face with the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder. I'm going to just keep using my beauty blender or my sponge and set my whole face. The next thing I'm going to do is blush, and I'm going to use a Tarte blush, and then this is in Captivating. I really like this color too. So next I'm going to go ahead and highlight, and I'll be using the Anastasia Glow Kit or Moonstone. So I'm just gonna kind of blend this out, and I'm gonna set my face now. Then I'm gonna apply my falsies and then, or curl my lashes, add mascara, and apply falsies, and we'll do my lips. But to set my face, I'm gonna use the Urban Decay All Nighter. And help it dry really quick. Our next step is to curl our lashes, and I'm just gonna curl them. So once they're curled, I'm gonna apply like 1 coat of mascara, and the mascara I've been using right now is the Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. Lashes, I'm going to use these Ardell Wispies, the Fog Mink Lips. Oh, I have them upside down. But I'll be using these. And for the glue, I'm going to use the Duo Lash Glue. So let's do this. Here goes my second eye. Wish me luck, guys. Right now, it looked like I'm an expert at applying lashes, but that's a lie. But I think it was the way, the angle. Well, the last thing is my lips. I'm gonna use the Anastasia liquid lipstick in Dazed. And that's it. I really like how this looks.